Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going to see exactly how to curve your text into a perfect half circle shape in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. Open your Word document and head up to the Insert tab on the top menu bar. Look for the WordArt icon on the right side and select the very first style to keep things clean and simple. Type the text you want to curve into the box that appears. This is also the perfect time to highlight your text and choose your preferred font and size from the Home tab. Once your text is ready, make sure the text box itself is selected. When it is, a new tab called Shape Format will appear at the very top of your screen. Click on that. Inside the Shape Format menu, find the Text Effects button. Hover your mouse over the Transform option in the drop-down menu. This will open a gallery of different text shapes. Under the Follow Path section, click on the first option, which is called Arch. Your text will now have a slight curve, but it might not be a full half circle yet. To fix this, simply click and drag the sizing handles on the edges of your text box. As you pull the bottom handle downward and adjust the sides, you will see the text stretch and mold into that perfect half circle shape. From there, you can drag and drop it anywhere in your document. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials.